Water is soft until you try to compress it. Then it becomes as hard as solid steel. This is the science of hydrolock. When your engine is running, it's designed to compress air. Air is a gas, it's flexible. But one deep puddle can change everything. If your intake gulps down water instead of air, that liquid heads straight for the combustion chamber. As the piston moves up to complete its stroke, it hits a wall. Since water cannot be compressed, the immense kinetic energy has nowhere to go. Something has to give. In a split second, the heavy steel connecting rod, the very bone of your engine, bends and snaps like a twig. It can even punch a hole straight through the engine block, ending your journey forever. Never underestimate a puddle. If the water is deep, turn around. Respect the physics. And subscribe to Kinetic Studio for more inside looks.